Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually running errands. Poleni, I just want to pick my tripod. Nataka kuweka kwa tripod. Here it is. So give me a quick second niweke kwa tripod and then we. So hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. And so today I'm actually running errands. It's 12 p.m. on a Friday. Ndio natoka tu kwa nyumba. I'm going to Kahawa West to run errands with my mom. And and also buy a blender. Our blender is really old. Like imezeeka. We think we've had it since I was in like class something in primary school. So we're also on the hunt for a good blender. And some errands in Kahawa West or Kahawa Sukari, I'm not too sure, but yeah, so let's go.
I think this one looks better. Nataka ni post jagi yake unaweza nishanga tu au fungue ukitaka tu before and then kuosha inaweza toka.
Day 3.
Hey lovelies, how are you? Hope you guys are doing great. The last time I spoke to you guys was when we were sourcing for the blender, and actually the blender works really well. It was actually a good investment, good 6,000 bob, really nice. So it's on a Sunday, the 10th of January, and I'm just from reading. I won't even lie, I have an exam starting tomorrow. Oh, today's not 10th, today is 9th. Yeah, my exams are on 10th, yes, today is 9th. And yeah, so nimetoka kusoma kidogo. I am so exhausted, and I just thought, why not pick up the camera and vlog. So anyways, I am making biryani for dinner, chicken biryani. So I'm just headed to the shop, to the kienyeji, to my mama. I have like my plug here where I live. She sells really quality, really nice, fresh kienyeji chicken and broiler chicken as well. So today I'm going to source for broiler chicken. And yeah, I don't know if I'm going to make them with ikiwa na bone, I'll just chop off kidogo. We'll just see, but I think I'll just chop kidogo ikue kama like boneless chicken. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'll also buy food color. I don't know if I have food color in the house, like enye najua niko nayo ni a green, and I think biryani like uses red and is it orange or yellow? I think orange and red food color. So that is what I'm planning to do. The recipe sio ya hapa ya YouTube, ni ya Instagram, but I'll do the behind the scenes and show you guys, and also need the link to the Instagram. So yeah, that's basically it. That's basically what I've come to say. And yeah, oh, and also your girl did some braids. Ooh. Like I look cute, like low-key, like honestly. Look at how neat that is. I did this goddess braids yesterday, and I'm really proud. This is an investment because I really love them. They're really cute. It's been over 6 months since I did my hair in a salon, so I've always stayed with wigs. I've always been wearing wigs on and off, but now I'm plated. No more kuchanua nywele. I'm so proud of myself. And yeah, and also today my makeup understood the assignment. Like, what? Just look at them eyebrows. You know what? Anywho. So, acha niende ninunue kuku, and then, yeah, we'll come and talk later. Ta-da! Hello, so I am back. Nisha sourced the ingredients. Although sikupata food color, I just karibu niseme hakukuwa nazo, but let me not lie, I was just too lazy to go to the supermarket. It's just too far to just go for one small thing. Niko na ya green, we'll just have to do with the green, and maybe I'll use turmeric kidogo, we'll just see. So let me show you the ingredients that I got. So we already secured the chicken. Ini broiler, ni kuku broiler. nusu. Nimetoka tu kununua saa it's actually very cold. Here are the potatoes, nimenunua tu za 30 bob. Na kuku ni 250, to make it clear, 250. And then hizo potatoes ni za 30 bob, although hii sasa wametukula sana, but anyway nilikuwa nataka tu kidogo. The cumin seeds, whole cumin seeds, we'll be using that sana. And then this is the only food color I have here, green, so we're just going to work with that. And this is a brand I actually worked with and I really love. You guys, if you follow me on my YouTube hata hapa na Instagram, you will know. Inaitwa Chibundiro. The curry powder is a main ingredient in making this. Also, I'm going to be using the without chilies seasoning because my small sister is gonna be eating, and also some people in my house don't like chili. And then also pilau masala. You will think that pilau masala tu ni pilau, but no, it's also a major ingredient in that rojo. There is some ginger, oregano, and then garam masala, and of course we're going to use some salt and some paprika. So the first thing will be to marinate this chicken. That's what I'm going to do now. Just marinate it with these ingredients plus vinegar and black pepper. So let me marinate it and then I'll catch you later. And also, before I forget, I'll be using this red and yellow bell peppers. I used like half of each in a recipe that I did on my Instagram. I was making chicken curry. There's also some grated ginger and garlic. This is also an essential sana. This is some natural yogurt. I'll be using actually most of it. Iko 3/4, so nitakuwa tu nitatumia yote. And then I have 3 tomatoes, which I think I'll add 1 more, and vitungu mbili, which I feel like pia ni kidogo. I'll just add more because biryani is all kitungu. So these are my ingredients. So let's first marinate the chicken, as I said, and then tutaongea after that. So I'm actually just in the process of marinating. I have put all those spices together and just mixing it kabisa to coat well the chicken. After that, I'm just going to in a cling film. I'm just going to cover in a cling film and let it rest while I make the rest of the ingredients. So I just finished marinating the chicken and I wrapped it in some cling film, and then I'm just going to place it in the freezer till I finish cooking the other things. And then by the time inafika time ya kupika, hizi vitu zitakuwa marinate. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like inakaa juicy na hata bado. Anyways, let's continue. So now I'm actually preparing the rice, the biryani rice. This is just 3 cups of water that I measured, and I just want to add in some spices, which is that's oregano over there. Then this is cinnamon. I don't have cardamom. I would have added it too. So if you do have, add that. This is some salt and some cumin seeds. I'm just going to wait for the water to boil a little bit, and then I'm just going to add them in there. And then finally, I'm also going to add some butter to add the taste. But if you have ghee is actually better. So if you do have that, and if you prefer ghee, I do kama hauna shida na ghee. Some of my family members don't take ghee. That's why I'm not putting ghee. I'm putting butter. But if you do have ghee, it's actually much better. So let me just do that. So I have already washed my rice, and as you can see through the lid, the water has already boiled. It's ready. So I'm just going to add in my rice. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. It looks brownish, all the spices, all the goodness. So I'm just going to add the rice really quickly. As you can see, I have a tripod here. This is how I'm shooting both for my Instagram and then for my YouTube. I'm doing like kidogo talking. Content creation is a job. For those who say it's not a job, it really is a job. So wacha niweke your rice and then we'll talk. As you can see, maji imekauka kiasi, so I'm just going to nini it kidogo with my fork. I actually got this fork kwa hawkers in Tao. Like I saw it and I was like, oh my god, rice, like this is a really effective nini ya kusukuma mchele before ikauke. So now tutangoja tu ikauke kidogo, and then I'll wrap it up with some foil, and then yeah. So it's like 10-15 minutes later, so let's check on our rice. By then nilifunga na foil ndio iive vizuri with that steam. And actually be careful, ukifungua hii steam inaweza kuchoma. It has ever burnt me before. So yeah, acha nitoe. Ooh, just look at that. Ooh, mchele moja moja. This is how our rice looks like. I wish I had like the red food color, like I really wish I did, but it looks beautiful atakama. So now let's just, hakuna mali iliandikwa ati lazima tutumie ya red, ya green bado ni biryani ni rojo, so let me cook the rest. Checked. So the kitchen is a whole mess right now, but nisha chonga waru ndio hizi. I just want to deep fry them. Nataka pia nikate kitunguu, and then I'll deep fry that also. And then yeah, nimenunua dania sai. I'm also going to put that in there. So as our chicken still marinates in the fridge, and also cut this one. I'll also cut this one, and then yeah. It's actually much later. I coated the warus in some turmeric and some olive oil. So I just want to deep fry them here really quickly. Nangoja mafuta ikuwe moto, and then I deep fry them pamoja with some onions that I chopped. I want to do first the warus and then this onions, and then yeah, so that's the next step basically. So I'll get back to you later. Nimetoa kuku ndio hii, looks very well marinated. So yeah, let's first cook the potatoes and the onions, and then let's see what's next. Happy Friday. I don't know why I just keep on vlogging on Fridays, but today is Friday again. I just arrived I was in Nairobi. I left Nairobi at 6 in the morning. Now I'm in Kirinyaga County. It's 9. I got here at 8. It's a 2-hour drive. So I'm still running some errands. There's some people I'm actually waiting for, and then hope it will be done by 10, so that by 10 nikuwe kwa njia heading back to Nairobi, because I have an examination at 1 and I cannot miss it. I cannot miss it, because if you miss an exam, the university, if you miss an exam, that is, you either do a special exam of which staki, or in turn even repeat the whole unit. So yeah, so I want to do it. I really want to do it. So nataka pia nisome kidogo as I wait for people. So yeah, so maybe I'll catch you guys later when I'm in Nairobi or on the way, I don't know.
Sometimes I wanna run away, 'cause I can see it from me. But you never know it. I'm feeling something for you. Baby, it's getting stronger. But you never know it. How wonderful would it be? How wonderful would it be? How
Hey you guys, good morning. It's the next day. It's 7:51 in the morning. So I just woke up like 10 minutes ago and I realized I have sunburn. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have sunburn over here and it really like it. I just feel like scratching it off, but I know it a peel and nitaka funny. But anywho, I'll just wash my face with some menengai bar soap. Actually, this is my routine. My skincare routine is very simple. I use menengai bar soap or whatever bar soap that's in the house. But ina perfume, menengai sana. Because I tried whitewash unanuka kama nguo, just don't do it. Menengai bar soap, nice is sponsored by the way. I'm just saying that's what I use. And then I supplement it with this. This is a Garnier toner that I've had it I think for 3 years now, because I don't tone every day. I tone once in a while, just when I feel like my skin really needs some juice, some whatever going on. That's when I do it. So I basically just wash my face with menengai and apply that toner, and that's it. Because I tried using this like Neutrogena, some Garnier cleansers and the like, and my skin became really dependent on it. Like whenever I don't use it, like naanza kuwa na breakouts, naanza kuwa na everything. So I just realized like, wacha tu niache. Let me go back to my menengai, which works very well for me, and the Garnier toner. So, and then I also realized this video is gonna be so long, so let me close up the video here. So thank you so much guys for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe to your girl's channel. Now pia, tell me what content you want to see. Like, what do you love seeing? Do you love vlogs? Do you love cooking videos? What do you love? A combination? Just let me know and I'm gonna make your wish come true. Okay, see your wish. That's a cliche anyway. Subscribe, like, comment and share, and as usual, I'll see you next time guys. Bye.